Hello everyone, good morning. We want to create a quick video about our AI update of the week. The major announcements from OpenAI, we all know about the GPT store. Little bit more details about the GPT store. Right now it can be only accessed by the ChatGPT Plus subscribers, and once you have access to that you can view all the top featured GPTs. And if you go here featured, you will see the top picks, the trending ones that are there. It was phase wise released to many of the geographies, so these are the trending ones. So according to the usage, if you can see that the ones that are being used by a lot of people are trailing here. The top 12 is here, and the ones by GPT is here. And if you want category specific, like if you want anything for DALI, for writing, for productivity, research and analysis, programming and education, you will have all the top GPTs according to the that particular uh, niche, that particular category. So it is very great to explore these GPTs, their capabilities as well, how they have been used. And I have been personally using some of them for my work that I am doing, specifically in the marketing, content and research space. And right now it is available, and the thing about monetization, they are going to launch the revenue program in Q1 according to their release that they have mentioned. And it is initially, it is going to be for the US builders, and they are going to not have the app is not going to be paid, but they have some agreement on the user engagement with their GPTs, which they are going to tell the exact details very soon for this particular stuff. We all know that ChatGPT has one more announcement called the ChatGPT Teams, wherein you are going to get access to more tokens as it is. So you can see at Team Workspace. Right now the plus is for $20. As you can see here, the team is $25 per person, and you can see the extra things that are happening is your team data excluded from training by default. So here in the plus it is not mentioned like that, but here it is mentioned like this. There is an admin console for workspace management. So suppose you have a team of 4, then you need to pay $100 per month, and that is the, and you will have 4 users. And you can also create and share GPTs within with your workspace, and this is a very great thing for you to do. Suppose your team members create a GPT, you can use it among each other, and this is something great. And the context window is more, so it is a good news for companies who wanted to work on this as a scale as well. So we all know that ChatGPT now has memory, so this means that you can learn from your chats and keep the conversation going for longer. It will carry out what it learns between chats, allowing it to provide more relevant responses and improves over time. And as you can know, it can keep the conversation going, it can improve over time and manage what it remembers. And this is a great thing that has happened. We all know about the New York lawsuit. It was a lot of buzz around that, but OpenAI has come out with a statement that they have used the training with fair use and with proper regulations. And this, what has happened right now, may be a rare bug that they are working to fix. So they have mentioned it can be a bug, but what they have used for training is they have done everything ethically. And they are also telling that the New York Times is not telling the full story, and they are intentionally manipulating the prompts, which we also discussed in the last video, how they are prompt engineering to give you a specific output for a screenshot to just create the buzz. CES was one of the things that I really closely followed, and I talked about this as well. Uh, it was all about AI. So when you Google CES, you will see CES Samsung for a Samsung uh, AI for all was the main key initiative that was coming out from this thing. And I will just quickly show you it is a quick video that you wanted to see. There it was a highlight of the CES where they were mainly talking about how AI can be used. So Samsung, as you can see, they recently released a uh, they talked about a prototype, a fridge where they can use AI to understand the products that are there. The products, if they are getting over like milk, bread, egg, they will order it directly from an e-commerce store next to you. And this was very, very powerful. The concept of AI for all the products that are there, were getting the AI inbuilt with them. The key highlights in this, that it is going to come in our everyday lives in all the products that we use. The generative AI integrations in most of the tools, the advancement in immersive AI, the TV, according to your mood, the lights and all will go off and on. And also the evolution of the autonomous embodied AI. So AI in everything was a concept, and read about this details in the newsletter. You will have an idea, tools that you can use to understand and the human need, and use AI to solve it. These TVs, the water maker, the giant LED screens, and all those stuffs were the highlights of the CES. And robotics was one of the things that also was very, very prevalent. How robotics and AI can be used to pick up the things according to a particular color or a particular shape. So these were the learnings from the Samsung CES. As from the mainly Samsung was the highlight, and there were a lot of other companies from this consumer forum that was there in Las Vegas last week. So these were the updates, and looking forward to subscribe. And uh, eh, every Monday we release our new newsletter and do a video review for the same. Have a great day, and do subscribe and like and support us in our initiative to get AI awareness out to the community. Have a great day.